Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS Home School. This is Emdadul, Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Dashit. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 5.1, question 25, 28 and 29. These three questions I will solve in today's class, and depending on today's class, three questions are given for your homework. Here three questions are 26, 27 and 30. These three questions from exercise 5.1 you have to solve yourself and you will submit as your homework. Okay dear students, let us see how can we solve question 25, 28 and 29. Now see question 25 and 28. Determine the value. Question 25 and 28. It means that we have to determine the value of the expression 25x square plus 36y square minus 60xy when x equal to minus 4 and y equal to minus 5. Question 28. We have to determine the value of the expression 81a square plus 18ac plus c square when a equal to 7 and c equal to minus 67. And then question 29 is if a minus b equal to 7 and ab equal to 3, show that a plus b whole square equal to 61. These three questions I will solve in today's class. Okay dear students, now see, at first I will solve question 25. We need to determine the value of the given expression. For this, value of x and y is given. So we can write here at first given. Value of x is minus 4 and y equal to minus 5. These two values are given here. We need to determine the value of the expression. The expression is 25x square plus 36y square minus 60xy. So we can write the expression here now. 25x square plus 36y square minus 60xy. To determine the value, dear students, if we put the value of xy directly, we can determine, but then the calculation will be little bit hard for you. But if you apply some technique, it will be easier for you to solve the question. What will be the technique? Dear students, now if you observe this is 25x square. This can be expressed as 5x whole square, 5x whole square. Now, and this is, here is plus, I have given plus, and 36x square can be expressed as 36y square can be expressed as 6y whole square, and here is minus minus. Dear students, if you consider 5x as a and 6y as b, now this is a square plus b square. To apply the formula, we can write here 2a means 5x and b means 6y. Now you can check this matched or not. 2 5s are 10 and 6 10s are 60. So 60 match here, x and product of x and y is xy. So we can express this expression as 5x whole square, it means a square minus 2ab plus b square means 6y whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this as a minus b. A minus b. A means 5x, b means 6y whole square. As we know the formula, a square plus 2a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Now if we put the value of x and y, we will get the answer directly. 5 into value of x is minus 4, so we have to write here minus 4, and here is minus. Now 6 into value of y is minus 5, here is minus 5, here is minus 4. Now here is square, gives square. Now minus, plus and minus is minus, product of plus and minus is minus, this is minus 20, 5 4s are 20, minus and minus is plus, 5 6 are 30. So if we give the square, now calculate here, minus 20 plus 30. So here will be 10 positive 10. Here is square, give the square. So this is 10 square. 10 square means 100. 10 square means 100. Product of 10 and 10. So the required value of the expression 25x square plus 36y square minus 60xy is 100. So we can write, therefore the required value is 100. So this is our answer for question 25. Now we need to solve question 28. 28 is similar question. We can solve here question 28. Solution. Question 28 is 81x square plus 18ac plus c square when a equal to 7 and c equal to minus 67. C equal to minus 67. This is given. We need to determine the value of the expression 81a square plus 18ac plus c square. So we can write at first the given information. We can write here given a equal to 7 and c equal to minus 67. Now we can write the given expression here. Now given expression is 81a square plus 18ac plus c square. Now again in the similar process we can apply the formula. If we don't apply the formula, if we put the value of a and c directly, we will get the answer, but it will be little bit critical for you to solve the question. But if you apply any technique here, then this will be easier. So apply the technique. Which one I follow? Here 81a square means we can write 9a whole square plus, as here is c square, we can write c square. It means if we consider 9a as a and c as b, we are getting a square plus b square. So we need 2ab here. 2a means 9a and b means c. Now check the calculation is correct or not. 9 2s are 18. Here is 18. A and c is ac. So middle term matched here. So we can say this is the formula. This is the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it means we can write here a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. We can write here as a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. According to this formula we can write here. So now we can put the value of a, 9 multiplied by 7, or 9 we can use dot or multiplication sign both, plus value of c is minus 67. Now calculate here. Here is square, give the square. Now 9 7s are 63. Now product of plus and minus is minus. This is 67. So we can write here 63 minus 67. If we do the addition here, what will we get? We will get minus 4. We will get here minus 4. As here is square, give the square. Product of minus 4 and minus 4 is 16. It means square of minus 4 is 16. So the required value of the given expression is 16. So we can write, therefore the required value is required value is 16. This is our solution of question 28. Now I will solve question 29. Okay, dear students, now see question 29. What is question 29? 29 is if a minus b equal to 7 and ab equal to 3, then show that a plus b whole square equal to 61. We need to show a plus b whole square. We need to show a plus b whole square equal to 61. So we can write here 29 solution. At first I will write the given information here. Given a minus b equal to 7 and ab equal to 3. Now we need to determine a plus b whole square equal to 61. A plus b whole square means this is left hand side. We can write here left hand side. Left hand side equal to a plus b whole square. Dear students, to solve this question we can apply the corollary. Corollary 3. Corollary 3, you know the corollary is a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. 4ab. This corollary you can apply. If you apply, what will be here? A minus b whole square plus 4ab. So put the value of a minus b. What is a minus b here? A minus b is 7. So write 7 square plus 4 into ab means 3. So 7 square means 49 and 4 into 3 means 12. Now add this 2. 9 2s are 11. 9 and 2 is 11. 1 and 4 is 5 and remaining 1 is 6. 61. This is our right hand side. See the right hand side, that is 61. So we can write here right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear students, these 3 questions are very easy and you can solve the question 26, 27 and 30 depending on today's lecture. These questions are also easy. Do properly your homework and submit your homework on next Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm in the school campus. Dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.